Have you tried countless diets but always struggled with constant hunger and cravings? If so, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging to stick to a weight loss plan because of persistent hunger pangs. But what if I told you there's a simple solution that can help eliminate those cravings and make weight loss effortless? Today, we're going to discuss the power of electrolyte water and how it can revolutionize your weight loss journey. False hunger. Experts agree that in most cases, when we think we're hungry, it's actually a phenomenon called false hunger. This false hunger is often triggered by an imbalance in the electrolyte sodium, potassium, and magnesium. When these minerals are out of balance, the body thinks it's starving and sends intense hunger signals, even if you've consumed enough calories. The problem with processed foods. One of the main culprits behind electrolyte imbalance is the consumption of processed foods. These foods break down into acidic byproducts during digestion, forcing the body to use its potassium and magnesium stores to neutralize the acids. This process throws your electrolyte levels out of whack, leading to false hunger and cravings. How electrolyte water turns off hunger. Fortunately, there's a genius way to correct this electrolyte imbalance and eliminate hunger: drinking electrolyte water. By sipping on a DIY electrolyte-rich water throughout the day, you can replenish your sodium, potassium, and magnesium levels, effectively turning off those pesky hunger signals. It's like magic. You drink the water, and you simply forget to eat. The benefits of electrolyte water. But the benefits of electrolyte water go beyond just curbing hunger. When you correct an electrolyte imbalance, you'll experience better sleep, improved kidney function, and even a reduction in belly fat. That's right, by regulating stress hormones, electrolyte water can help you shed stubborn belly fat first. In fact, studies have shown that participants who added electrolytes to their weight loss regimen lost an average of 56 pounds in just 6 weeks. How to make electrolyte water. Making your own electrolyte water is incredibly simple and inexpensive. All you need is some salt, potassium chloride, or a potassium supplement, and magnesium citrate or glycinate. Mix these ingredients with water, and voila, you've got a hunger-busting elixir that costs just pennies per serving. Tips for success. To maximize the benefits of electrolyte water, follow these tips. 1. Drink 1 bottle upon waking up to kickstart your metabolism. 2. Continue sipping every 2 to 3 hours to keep cravings at bay. 3. Eat when you're hungry, focusing on low-carb, high-fat, and high-protein meals. 4. Incorporate short bursts of exercise to further blunt your appetite. Conclusion. If you've been struggling with constant hunger and cravings, give electrolyte water a try. It's a simple, affordable, and effective way to finally break free from the cycle of hunger and achieve lasting weight loss success. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a water bottle, mix in those electrolytes, and get ready to embark on a hunger-free journey towards your weight loss goals.